Hello friends, in previous video we have learned about object methods, and now in this video we will have an introduction to arrays. So first of all, what is array? JavaScript arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one values at a time. If we try to store n number of values, so we have to declare n number of variables also for that purpose. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to the index number. So we'll create a new file, and first we will let you know what is the syntax of array. So array name equals to, in square braces we will provide the items. So item 1, item 2, item 3, and we can provide n number of items and a semicolon. So what will happen? A variable of array type will be created which holds n number of values with. Suppose we will create an array of cars, so this cars array will contain n number of companies or cars names. So Honda, Kia, MJ, and suppose BMW also. So our array cars has 4 values in it. So we have another method to create an array also. So we will use the new keyword in that, and array function is also used to create the array. So the syntax for that is array where array name equals to new array, and in this we will provide the item 1, item 2, item 3, and in this we also provide the n number of items. So this is the second way in which this is the second way by which you can create an array. So we will also give this example cars equals to new array, and in this we will provide all the values that we have provided in here. So just copy and paste that and save this. So by using this array function we can create an array of name cars. So now what will happen and how we can access these. So now and how we will access these arrays. You can access these arrays by referring to the index number. So what are the index number? Index number is a number that been given by the cars. All the values are stored at some indexes. So the index number starts from 0, as in computer language the 0 is the starting position, and the size of the cars is 4, as we have declared 4 values in it. So the index number starts from 0 and ends at size -1. That means the indexes our cars have is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So these are the 4 indexes our cars variable have or cars array have. So if we try or so if we want to access Honda, we just have to write cars and the position where the Honda is stored. So Honda is stored at 0th position, Kia is at 1st, MG at 2nd, and BMW is at 3rd. So now we will try to use them in our program. So we will delete all and write down the HTML tags that we require. So HTML. We will save this file as array.html, and we have to write the head tag and the script tag, and now we will create an array of cars by this. Our cars array has 4 values, so BMW, MG, and Kia. So these are the 4 values our cars array have. Honda, BMW, MG and Kia. And all the values are separated by using the comma. So when we try to print whole array, we just have to write document dot write, and in that we have to just provide the array name. So cars is our array name, and when we save this file again and open the folder where we have saved this file, our file name is array. When this file opens, it shows Honda, BMW, MG and Kia. These are the same values that we have assigned in here. So whole cars array is printed. But what happens if we only want to print BMW? So we have to provide the index number with the array name by using the square braces, and when we save this file again and open the browser and refresh this, we have only BMW that is stored at the first index. So now these are the fixed values, and what happens if we want to change something or we have to assign a new value by replacing in another value? So we just have to provide the array name with the index number that we want to change. So we will provide this and we will assign a new value, and when we try to print this again, so what will happen now? It will print Audi in place of BMW. So it will print Audi as we have assigned a new value at the first position where BMW is stored. Now when we try to print only the cars after this, what will happen? Now this cars array will have Audi in place of BMW. So refresh this, and now it says Audi because we have printed these. So just let me change this. We will write the BR tag, so it will come in next line. So this is the first index that we have printed, and this is our new array after changing the BMW with Audi. So that's all for this video. In next video we will learn about array and objects. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.